Hi guys, and thanks for joining us, hopefully again here at AW Smart Repairs and Black Stag Styling. So we have a bit of hydro dipping for you today. We thought we'd do something a little bit different from the styling and repairs and just focus a bit on some of our hydro dipping. So we have a gun stock in with ourselves from a customer, which we are going to be doing in real tree. With a gloss lacquer, and there's three, I think it's three, maybe four bits to this that we'll be doing in that design. But we also have three new finishes that we're going to be doing as well, which is a forged carbon, a brushed aluminium, and like a sticker bomb, a cool sticker bomb one. So we've got a few finishes. We're going to be doing the whole lot throughout this video, so stay tuned for this. Normal thing, don't forget, please do like and subscribe to the channel, turn on the old notifications, and we will get cracking with this one. So roll the old intros. Thank you very much. Right, so Ad's now got the bits into the booth, haven't you, mate?
Yeah, mate.
All lovely jubbly. So we have, how many bits have we got, Ad? Three?
Well, four technically. This is sort of made up one, but it's actually two now.
This is two sections, lovely. So Ad's already got them all primed, and now about to get some colour on. We've also got our other shapes, haven't we, in the booth as well that we're going to be dipping. So we'll give you a little look at these. Yeah, some of the bits for the gun. So we've got the section here, and I think it's a silencer, and then the gun over here that Ad's now getting some colour onto. So it just needs like a cream underneath, doesn't it, mate?
Yeah, not always cream.
Not ice cream, just some cream, and that'll show the finish, the hydro finish, nicely over the top of it. It'll look really smart. Yeah, I'll show you over here. We've got, these are the speed shapes, so we'll be colouring them up as well in different colours because we have three different films. We have a sticker bomb, a special carbon effect one, and an aluminium looking one as well. There we go. It's now finishing getting some colour. First coat of colour onto them. I won't need much, won't need too many coats of colour, and then we'll be ready to flip another dipping. Right, I'll give you a quick look at some of our other hydro dip finishes. As you know, we're doing the new speed shapes. These will be to go on our board behind me, but we'll give you a little view of the other ones we do. Plenty of nice finishes. So there we go, look. We've got numerous different carbons, we've got some skulls, all sorts of different ones. Look rather cool. Some camos, as you know, the real tree, there we go, which is what we're doing the gun stock in, and some other ones are custom colours as well at the top there, and then some of our hydro dip finishes on the bottom. So don't forget, you can always give us a shout at AW Smart Repairs and Black Stag Styling for any help with hydro dipping. Please do give us a shout. Lots of possibilities with different colours and the different finishes. So, well, no further hanging around. We'll get back on with the video and show you some hydro dipping. Right, here we go. Ad's now getting the second coat after putting his light sort of gripper coat on. Getting a nice bit of coverage now with the cream. Look at that, that's looking better. Looking lovely, mate.
Lovely.
Lovely and creamy.
Oh.
Here we go, over with Adam, ready to... oh dear, that was a close one.
It's a war zone now. What do you expect, idiots? Should have shot back, shouldn't you?
He wasn't loaded, mate, wasn't loaded.
Not very loud when he fired, is it? Right.
Right, anyway.
We've got the gun stock all ready, creamed up.
Yeah, that looking
The right
good.
base colour to go under the hydro dip film.
Along with the other bits.
The other bits
Is that
as
the
well.
barrel? We call that the barrel?
That's the, yeah, and also I'll show you. So it goes together like this. Put that bit in there like this. And then this bit on top of this. Now, I don't think it's a Nerf one. I don't know what make it is. It's not Nerf.
I don't think it's a Nerf gun.
It's not a Nerf.
No, not a Nerf
take
gun.
like bullets. They jam. And then we'll
So really-
this is the film we're going in.
Yeah, it's quite cool that one, isn't it?
Yeah. Woodland Delight. That's what we're going with.
Is that
Woodland Delight.
that's what we're calling it? Is that
Real tree, I think it's the official name, but
real tree? Not pretend tree.
it's not. It's not
I think it's more like a pretend tree, to be honest.
You
But
don't
we'll
want
go
any
with that.
loft, don't you?
Tree.
Timber. You put your decorations.
I think it's, yeah. We only bring it out at Christmas,
Yeah.
special occasions.
Yeah, that's it, mate.
Lovely. Right, to get the old film then cut then, Ed. Bloody lovely job. Right, so Ad's just getting a little bit of plastic primer onto our shapes, our speed shapes. Then we'll be adding the irrelevant colour for the different films, won't we, mate?
Yeah, baby.
So we've got to think one that's got to go white, one that's got to go black, one that's got to go light grey, and then the other one is a mid sort of darker silver, which we'll show you in a moment. This will give the required effect with the different films then. A lot of good film, don't we, mate?
Yeah, PG rated.
Right, here we go. So we are now cutting the film that we had for the different shapes.
Cutting the film for this carbon one here.
So we're going to start with the end one, the carbon. So this is chameleon carbon. I think you might be able to pick up on the camera change in colour of the film behind the shape.
Sort of,
Pretty cool. So we're going to start with that one.
yeah.
And moving along.
The brushed aluminium.
Yeah, so we've done this shape in a sort of silvery grey, dark sort of silver. So that should look really good with the film over the top. Then we've got our disco sticker bomb.
Disco Steve.
Look at that, it's a bit cool, isn't it? And that goes over white. And finally, we're doing a light grey with our forged carbon over the top, which is a transparent or clear finish. Look, there we go. So we'll crack on, won't we, mate? Get these dipped.
Yeah.
Right, now going into the spray booth for the final last bits now. So Fraser's now going to get the clear coat, the gloss lacquer that is, onto the gun parts and the gun stock. One of the shapes that will just leave us with some matte lacquer to get onto the final speed shape that we've dipped in the forged carbon. So we're going to see how he's getting on with this. guys, we are now all done with our hydro dipping finishes. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching this video. Like I say, something slightly different. We have got plenty of other hydro dipping videos on our channel, so do check some of them out as well. It's been nice just to show you some of the new finishes we're introducing, and of course doing the gun stock. So we're going to give you a little view round all of these now. So we'll have a look at the shapes that are all finished with the different finishes, and of course the gun stock as well. As you'll have seen, we've done the extra carbon fibre one, which I forgot to mention as well at the beginning of the video. So we've done that chameleon carbon. So we'll give you a look around all of these now and see what you think. So we have our forged matte carbon. There we go. That is really smart. Hopefully you can pick that up nicely on the camera. We've then got our disco bomb. Really cool finish if you want to go with something funky and different. Then moving over to our chameleon carbon. This is really smart. Hopefully this is showing on the camera. So it goes from like a bluey purple to a green and shifts in colours. There we go. And then we've got our brushed aluminium. Again, really smart, different finish if you want to go for something a little bit special. So we've got all of them. We'll now give you a view around the gun stock as well and see what you think of them. There we go. So here is the finished gun stock. We give you a close up with the barrel and the air section as well. We just put our speed shapes with this as well, so you can have a little view of them. We'll give you some close-ups, just showing you the detail in the gun stock. And there we go. Just make that out. So this is looking really smart now. Hopefully a customer will be very pleased with this. There we go. So don't forget to give us a shout at Black Stag Styling and AW Smart Repairs if we can help with anything a little bit funky, a little bit different you want to do with your car, motorbike, gun stock, computer controllers, anything really, anything that will fit in our tank. Give us a shout. Let's do something a bit different. So please don't forget, do like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications, that way you can stay fully up to date with everything we're doing. Check us out on all our other social media things as well. Stay tuned for some more videos and we will catch you again soon. Don't forget, stay safe and check out the next up and coming videos. Thanks for watching.